To begin, in a large pot or a Dutch oven over medium heat, add 6 strips of bacon cut into bite-sized pieces. Cook the bacon until nice and crispy. Once the bacon has been cooked, remove from the pot and transfer to a plate lined with paper towels. Then remove most of the bacon grease from the pot, leaving about 2 tablespoons. To the 2 tablespoons of bacon grease, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead and melt the butter, still cooking over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add 1 medium-sized onion diced, followed by 1 red bell pepper diced, and half a jalapeno pepper diced as well, seeds removed. You may keep the seeds of the jalapeno pepper if you want it extra spicy. Hey, more power to you. Cook the vegetables until the onion becomes translucent, about 5 minutes. Then add 4 cloves of garlic minced and cook the garlic for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. Then add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Give that a quick stir until the flour has been absorbed. It's time to season the soup. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, followed by 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now give that a quick toss to wake up the spices. Then add 4 cups of chicken broth. Give that a quick mix to incorporate. And once evenly incorporated, add 1½ cups of whole milk, followed by 1½ cups of heavy cream, 1 pound of potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces, 2½ cups of sweet frozen corn, and 1½ pounds of chicken. As for the chicken, we are using 2 boneless and skinless chicken breasts. Give it a quick mix and ensure that the chicken is submerged in the liquid. Now increase the heat to medium-high and bring the soup to a boil. Continue cooking until the chicken has been cooked through and the potatoes are fork tender. Once the chicken has been cooked through, remove from the pot and transfer to a plate. Using 2 forks, you may go ahead and shred it just like so. And if you notice that your chicken is not all the way cooked through as you're shredding it, don't worry, it's going to finish cooking once it goes back in the pot. Once the chicken has been shredded, go ahead and set it aside. Once your potatoes are fork tender, we are ready to move on to the next step. Now, using an immersion blender or a regular blender, go ahead and blend about half of the soup. We love using this immersion blender. Link to the blender in the video description below. Once you have blended about half of the soup and the soup is to the consistency that you like, bring the chicken back into the pot. If your chicken has not cooked all the way through, go ahead and simmer for another 6 to 8 more minutes. Then taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. Then as a topping, garnish with the bacon we cooked up earlier. You may garnish with diced jalapeno peppers and fresh cilantro. Now, I believe that you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it, the most amazing chicken corn chowder. Enjoy, buen provecho, thanks for watching, see you later, bye.